I don't know if we could do that. I don't know if anybody would do that. I know this. If anyone was crazy enough, it'd be us. I was incorrectly taught to call a missed appointment the next day. When do you guys think we should call missed appointments? What do you think? I want to work the customer on the phone just as hard as I work the customer face to face. With these fresh internet leads, our goal is everything we do should move us towards the what? The appointment. I'll pick on my man Eric in the back here. He's a corporate guy, right? So what did you get all day, every day that would probably show up on your phone or your calendar? What'd you get all day? What'd you get? Calendar invites, right? Yeah. How many calendar invites did you get a day in your last life? Or send? A whole bunch, okay? So every corporate person in the world gets calendar invites all day, every day. When you send a video to the buyer, you might just want to go like this. Hey buyer, this is Kyle. I want to thank you for going online and picking out that Traverse. It's such a great vehicle. I double checked and confirmed it looks like the Traverse is still here. And I sent you over a calendar invite just as a placeholder for 5:30 this afternoon. I don't want you to miss out seeing it. If 5:30 works, awesome. Just show up at 5:30. Otherwise, you can adjust that calendar and just let me know what's best for you. I appreciate you. I'm just trying to get engagement with the customer. And if you pop them off a calendar invite, you're literally going to live right on their home screen. Every corporate person on earth lives on their calendar.
I'll add it, actually,
Yes, sir.
right? So you described corporate people getting calendar invites, right? There's families that have kids in multiple sports. Many of us live and die by our calendar, right? Like, so my corporate is my wife. I mean, I literally have like calendar invites, like what's for dinner every single night. That's how we like basically communicate in 2024 going into 2025. It's that important. And there's so many, and everything is so integrated now, right? It's making it easier and easier and easier for families to run that way. So if you're thinking that this person doesn't sound like a calendar invite and it's a soccer mouse with an elite on it, still send the calendar invite, right?
Tons of people live off those things. All right, missed appointments. I was incorrectly taught to call a missed appointment the next day. When do you guys think we should call missed appointments? What do you think? When can we call them?
5 minutes after you miss the appointment.
Maybe?
15, 20 minutes after.
As soon as the appointment's missed.
Oh, all right. And I want to have lunch date energy. If I was supposed to meet Kevin for dinner at 7 o'clock, and if I walk in the restaurant at 7 or 7:01, and I don't see him, what am I going to do probably?
Text.
I'm going to text him or I'm going to call him, right? I'm going to be like, hey, Kevin, where are you? I'm in the bar. I can't find you. The customer committed to show up at 12:30 or 1 or whenever they committed to show up, right? It is good service just to call them at the appointment time so you can go out and greet the customer. So if you got a 1 o'clock appointment, and 1 o'clock rolls around, call the customer up. They don't answer. Call them again. They don't answer. If they do answer, here's the call. Hey, buyer, this is Kyle. I'm outside in the parking lot. Where'd you park? And if they forgot about the appointment, what are they going to say?
Oh, I forgot.
Oh, no problem. Could you come down right now? Is tonight better? What's better for you? And I just try and reset the appointment, right? So that's if I get them on the phone. If I don't get them on the phone, I probably just want to pop them off a video that shows that I believe that they were actually showing up. And it might go like this. Hey, buyer, this is Kyle. I was the guy you were talking to earlier. I'm out here in VIP parking. I tried to give you a buzz. I couldn't find you. I'm sending you the video just so you can see where I'm at. If you're running late or whatever, just give me a call. It's about 21 degrees out today, and I'm going to be waiting out here for you for a few minutes. So give me a text, call me back either way. Thank you. What would happen if you sent somebody that video? You promised me here at 12:30. I'm standing outside waiting for you. At least then they'll engage. I was taught call back the next day, and it doesn't show that the appointment was actually real, and you're less likely to get the person engaged. So 1 o'clock appointment, when are we calling these people? If they don't answer, what do we do? If they don't answer, what do we do after that? All right, if they don't answer, what do we do? All right, appointment confirmations. With our appointment confirmation videos, switching gears, still talking about videos, you don't need to have the like world's longest video. Just stand where they're gonna park. If you have the vehicle ready, that's a plus. And maybe just hit them with something like this. Hey buyer, this is Kyle, and as you can see, I got the Denali over there. When you pull up tonight at 5:15, I'll be standing right here. Just wanted you to see where to park. A lot of people get confused because we have such a big inventory. I'll look forward to seeing you then. Oh, and I sent you a calendar invite. In the calendar invite, the address to the dealership, my cell phone number, a bunch of other cool stuff. See you soon. Thank you. It doesn't take like a lot, right? So just here's where to park. Here's what I am doing. Appointments are purely based on the perception of the customer. If it feels like a real appointment, it's a what? Real appointment.
Yeah.
Feels like a fake appointment, it's a what?
Fake appointment.
So make the appointment feel more real. All right, let's recap this thing, and then I want to make a couple more calls. Never hang up the phone without asking for a what?
Appointment.
Say anything you want as long as you don't what?
Never lie.
And I got 2 managers in here.
Yep.
Do you work deals too? Cool. So do you work the desk, Chad?
A lot of times.
All right, cool. So awesome. If I have a customer on the phone with me, we didn't talk about this. I want to work the customer on the phone just as hard as I work the customer face to face. What would happen if somebody was on the showroom floor right now and they went like this? Yeah, I'd buy the new Traverse. I just want $1,000 discount. What would happen if I kicked them out? Just, no, dude, come on, get out of here. And I kicked him out without talking to Chad. How would he feel? Right?
You can answer for me.
We do it on the phone all the time, though. Is the manager going to get to talk to the customer that I talked to from John Elway? No. Do you guys have any doubt in my mind that if you walked up to me and you were like, hey, there was this guy that called on a 2019 Foreigner, and I forgot to ask for the appointment. What do you think I'm going to say next? What do you think I would literally say to you? Let me call the guy. Let's call him up. See what happens. We got to take everything to the manager. Now, you guys don't like taking things to the manager because you guys go like this. Hey, I got this person. I'm pretty sure they smoke. And they're never going to buy a car. And they hate me. And they said they're already writing a 1-star review on Google. And they're reporting us to the Better Business Bureau. You're not going to be able to do anything. But can you call this person for me? That's how you guys approach the desk. Okay? I wouldn't want to call your customer either if you approach me like that. Get a commitment and then go to the desk. Boss, guess what? Got a car deal. I need your help. The guy's coming in tonight to buy a car. So we want to work buyers with the same intensity on the phone as we do on the floor. It just matches. Have you guys ever had somebody that said, I'd buy the car if you could take $5,000 off or some crazy number? You guys ever had that?
Sure.
Just get a commitment on what they're going to do. Okay, sweet. You'd buy the car if I took $5,000 off? I don't know if we could do that. I don't know if anybody would do that. I know this. If anyone was crazy enough, it'd be us. Let me ask you, if we took $5,000 off the price of the vehicle, what would your next step be? What would you do? If we took $5,000 off the car, like you're saying, what would you do?
Come down to the dealership, buy from you.
When would you be here?
Time.
What time?
5:30.
All right, I'm going to put you in the book for 5:30. I'm not promising you $5,000 off. I'm promising you the best deal, or I wouldn't expect you to do business, okay? I'm going to send you a calendar invite. I'll see you at 5:30. And I know you're saying you need to hear the price before you come in. Either I'm going to call you back or my boss is going to call you back just a minute. See you 5:30 tonight, okay? And then we go to the manager. Hey, there's this guy. He wants to do X, Y, Z. And we get the managers involved. And the manager calls and the guy goes like this. Oh, man, I was just messing with your sales guy. The truth is I got $5,000 negative equity I'm trying to absorb. Or whatever. We want to get commitments on what the people will do and then just touch the desk. If 10 sales calls come into the dealership, 10 calls should go to the desk because they should either be confirming the appointments or they should jump behind and they should help me. All right, so get a commitment for whatever they'll do, just like a car deal, and then take it to who?
Manager.
All right, good. So I'm never going to hang up the phone without asking for an appointment. If I don't have the appointment, I'm going to get a what?
Manager.
Get a commitment. Take it to a manager. We're going to start sending everybody videos. You guys cool with that? Just try it. You'll be surprised how many times people will call me off videos. I use my own cell phone a lot in class. I didn't do it because you guys have a video tool. But when I send videos to people, if I send 3-4 videos, I usually get a call or two on the way home.